Hi, this is Clint. So after I visited Iguazu Falls on the Brazilian side, I decided to go check out this exotic bird park that's right across the road from the Iguazu Falls Visitor Center. Just had to walk right across the road. I already had my advance ticket that I bought online because it was always my intention to go check out these birds. So let's go see some beautiful birds as well as some other animals. That toucan experience was definitely my favorite for the whole day, actually. I like the toucan more than the falls, even though the falls are magnificent. So as you can see, this bird park is a great add-on to any visit to Iguazu Falls on the Brazilian side. Now, when I finished with the bird park, I just had to walk across the road where there's a bus stop for a local bus number 120, which took me right back to town in Foz do Iguazu for 5 Brazilian. But I'm not done with Iguazu Falls yet, because the next day I'm going to see the falls again, but this time from the Argentina side. So please hit and subscribe and watch for that video. Oh, I thought I would add in just one more thing. You see what I have on my shirt here? It says Safari by Leo. This is the tour company that I used when I went on an African safari. If you like animals, check out our YouTube channel for all the videos that I took when I was on safari. Lots and lots of amazing wildlife. And if you're actually interested in going to Africa, I totally recommend checking out Safari by Leo. They took really good care of me. I saw lots of wildlife. I totally recommend this company. They're at safaribyleo.com.